All right, in this problem here, we have solving simultaneous equations with our GDC, and we're going to use our GDC to find the 3 points of intersections for these graphs here. And so in order to do it, and you can probably see in the calculator that they're already graphed, but in order to do it, I have to put them all in the form y equals mx plus b, because that way our calculator will graph it. This one here, which means I have to solve for y. I'm going to subtract x, so it's 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. And then I just divide everything by 3. I'm going to take this whole thing here, and I'm going to divide it by 3. I'm going to throw this into my calculator. This is what we're going to call y1, y2, and y3. And if I look at my calculator, I have them all as such. Oh, but I have them in different orders. Let me rearrange that. Let's go back and make this. So I have my equations. I have this is y1, this is y2, and this one is y3. And so I'm looking for the 3 points of intersection. And if I look at my graph, I can see that there are 3. I can clearly see that there are 3. And as we go through it, what we're going to do for our keystrokes, and if I show them, let's clear this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go second, trace. I'm going to do number 5, the intersection. And now the calculator's asking me a question. It's saying the first curve is y1. Let's say that's fine. Hit enter. My second curve is y2. This one, enter. And then I'm going to find the intersection. Well, this one was y1, so I'm going to guess it's going to be about 2. Hit guess. And there is my point of intersection. There's the first one there, which is, I'm going to write that down. This value here is 2.3333, comma 5. That's the first point of intersection. And that was with y1 and y2. Now I have to do y2 and y3. I have to do these ones, and I'll do that with blue. So I want to do y2 and y3 now. So I'll go to my calculator. I'm going to do the same process. Second, trace, hit number 5. Now first curve though, I want to say it's y2. So I'm going to toggle down. Now I have a y2. Now there's my first curve. Hit enter. My second curve told me y3. I hit enter. And I'm going to guess it's somewhere over here, which is like negative 4, let's say. Or negative 5. And my value there is going to be here. I get negative 4.5, comma 5. And then finally, we're going to do y3 and y1. And so I go second, trace, my intersect, and I want y1 and y3. So this is my first curve. I don't want y2, I want y3, this curve here. I hit enter. And now my guess, well, I think it's over here, so let's say 2. Hit enter. And there's my point of intersection there. And so this point of intersection is 1.0909, comma 1.27, 1.2727, etc. And so we have to use our calculator and tell the calculator which graphs we want them to be a part of. Hope that helps.